Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will delve into the reasons why wooden art decor designs are essential for modern interiors, examining their aesthetic, emotional, and environmental impacts. So watch the video until the end to see our selection and get inspiration. One of the primary reasons wooden decor is vital in modern interiors is its inherent aesthetic appeal. Wood possesses a natural beauty that can elevate any design scheme. The unique grain patterns, textures, and colors found in different types of wood add depth and character to interiors. Unlike synthetic materials, wood exhibits variations that make each piece distinct. This uniqueness contributes to an environment that feels more personalized and less manufactured, fostering a sense of authenticity. In modern interior design, where minimalism and simplicity often reign, wooden decor can serve as a striking focal point. A large wooden wall art piece, for instance, can draw attention and anchor a room, providing visual interest without overwhelming the space. The warm tones of wood create a contrast against cooler colors commonly found in modern decor, such as whites, grays, and blacks. This contrast not only enhances the visual dynamics of a room, but also creates a more inviting atmosphere. Moreover, wooden art decor can seamlessly blend with various design styles. Whether one leans toward mid-century modern, Scandinavian, rustic, or industrial aesthetics, wood can complement and enhance these themes. For example, reclaimed wood pieces can add a rustic charm to a contemporary space, while sleek, polished wood can enhance the sophistication of a modern minimalist setting. This versatility makes wooden decor an invaluable asset in achieving cohesive and harmonious interior. The emotional impact of wooden decor should not be underestimated. Wood is a natural material that often evokes feelings of warmth and comfort. In a world increasingly dominated by technology and artificial materials, incorporating wooden elements can create a sense of grounding and connection to nature. This connection is crucial in modern interiors, where the pace of life can feel overwhelming. Wooden decor can act as a reminder of the natural world, promoting a sense of well-being and tranquility. Additionally, wooden art pieces often carry stories and histories. When artisans craft wooden decor, they infuse their creations with personal touches and narratives. This storytelling aspect can resonate deeply with individuals, creating a bond between the viewer and the artwork. For instance, a handcrafted wooden sculpture may reflect the culture and traditions of its creator, inviting viewers to appreciate not only its visual beauty, but also its significance. Incorporating wooden art decor into a space can also encourage mindfulness. The act of selecting and placing these pieces often requires careful consideration, prompting individuals to reflect on their preferences and values. This intentionality enhances the overall design experience, making the environment feel more curated and meaningful. When individuals surround themselves with objects that resonate emotionally, they create spaces that nurture their well-being. In recent years, there has been a growing awareness of the importance of sustainability in interior design. Wooden art decor aligns perfectly with this ethos, particularly when sourced responsibly. Sustainable wood sourcing practices prioritize the health of forests and ecosystems, ensuring that wooden decor contributes to environmental preservation. By choosing wooden decor, individuals can support eco-friendly practices and reduce their carbon footprint. Reclaimed wood is particularly noteworthy in this context. It involves repurposing old wood from structures such as barns, factories, or furniture, giving it a second life and preventing it from ending up in landfills. This practice not only reduces waste, but also adds character to the decor, as reclaimed wood often holds unique stories and imperfections that enhance its beauty. Using reclaimed wood in modern interiors can convey a commitment to sustainability while celebrating the past. Furthermore, wooden decor can contribute to improved indoor air quality. Unlike many synthetic materials that release volatile organic compounds, VOCs, wood is a natural material that helps regulate humidity and can even absorb toxins from the air. This aspect of wooden decor is particularly important in modern interiors, where creating a healthy living environment is a priority. By incorporating wooden art, individuals can enhance both the aesthetic and functional qualities of their spaces. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Wooden art decor designs are not only visually appealing but also highly versatile. They can be adapted to various functions within a space, blurring the lines between art and utility. For example, wooden wall hangings can serve as both decorative art and functional storage solutions, such as shelves or hooks. This duality allows individuals to maximize their space while maintaining a stylish and organized environment. Moreover, wooden decor can be easily customized to suit specific preferences and needs. Artisans can create bespoke pieces tailored to individual tastes, ensuring that the decor resonates personally with the homeowner. This customization extends beyond mere aesthetics. It can also consider the functionality required in a given space. For example, a family might need a wooden bench that offers seating while showcasing their favorite artwork. The ability to combine art and functionality makes wooden decor an attractive choice for modern interiors. In commercial spaces, wooden art decor can significantly enhance the overall atmosphere. For instance, restaurants and cafes often use wooden elements to create a warm and inviting ambience. Wooden tables, chairs, and wall art can evoke a sense of comfort, encouraging patrons to relax and enjoy their time. In office environments, incorporating wooden decor can promote creativity and productivity by creating a more pleasant workspace. The versatility of wooden art allows it to adapt to diverse settings while maintaining its appeal. Another crucial aspect of wooden art decor is its timeless quality. Wood has been used in design for centuries, and its enduring appeal continues to resonate in modern interiors. Unlike trends that come and go, wooden pieces often retain their relevance and charm over time. Investing in wooden decor can be seen as a commitment to quality and durability, as well-crafted wooden items can last for generations when properly maintained. This longevity is particularly significant in a consumer culture that often prioritizes fast fashion and disposable products. By choosing wooden art decor, individuals make a conscious decision to invest in pieces that can withstand the test of time, both in terms of style and durability. This investment not only benefits the individual, but also contributes to a more sustainable approach to consumption, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Moreover, as wooden decor ages, it often develops a unique patina and character that enhances its beauty. The natural aging process can transform the appearance of wood, adding depth and richness that new materials may lack. This evolution can create a sense of history and nostalgia, making wooden pieces even more cherished over time. In a world where individuals often seek authenticity, the timelessness of wooden decor stands out as a testament to quality craftsmanship and enduring design. The sensory experience of a space is an often overlooked aspect of interior design. Wooden art decor engages multiple senses, contributing to a more immersive environment. The tactile quality of wood invites touch, encouraging individuals to interact with their surroundings. This tactile engagement can foster a deeper connection to the space and its elements, enhancing the overall experience. Additionally, wood's natural scent can evoke feelings of comfort and nostalgia. The aroma of freshly cut wood or the subtle notes of aged timber can create a warm and inviting atmosphere. This sensory aspect is particularly important in modern interiors, where the goal is often to create spaces that feel alive and welcoming. By incorporating wooden decor, individuals can enrich their environments with sensory experiences that resonate on a deeper level. The acoustic properties of wood also contribute to the overall ambience of a space. Wooden art decor designs play a vital role in modern interiors, offering a blend of aesthetic appeal, emotional resonance, sustainability, versatility, and cultural significance. The natural beauty of wood enhances the visual dynamics of a space, while its tactile qualities and warmth create inviting environments. As individuals increasingly seek authenticity and connection in their living spaces, wooden decor emerges as a powerful tool for achieving these goals. The emotional connection fostered by wooden art pieces, combined with their sustainability and timelessness, further solidifies their importance in contemporary design. By choosing wooden decor, individuals can make conscious decisions that reflect their values and priorities, contributing to a healthier planet and a more meaningful lifestyle. We navigate an increasingly fast-paced and technology-driven world. Integrating wooden art decor into our interiors allows us to create spaces that are grounded, authentic, and reflective of our unique identities. Whether for personal use or sale, the significance of wooden decor in modern interiors is undeniable, making it an essential element of contemporary design. Embracing wooden art in our homes not only elevates our surroundings, but also enriches our lives, creating a harmonious balance between nature and modernity. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe.